monsoon leads to a vegetable price hike, but this year, as far as tomatoes are concerned, along with the monsoon factor, the way the excessive heat damaged the crop this year, that has led to a massive price hike. We are in Mumbai's Vilepale area right now, and we'll try and speak to some of the vegetable vendors to understand the price here. यहाँ पे भी टमाटर के दाम क्या चल रहे हैं दादा?
80 रुपए किलो।
पहले कितने थे?
पहले 40 था, 50 था, 60 हुआ, फिर 80 हुआ।
और ये 40 कितने दिनों पहले तक थे?
2 हफ्ता पहले था।
आपका मार्जिन कितना निकल जाता है इसमें?
क्या मिलेगा, 5 दिन मिलता है, इसमें क्या मिलेगा? 1 किलो 5 दिन मिलेगा, बहुत है।
कुछ ऐसा कि ग्राहक थोड़ा सा जो 1 किलो लेते थे वो थोड़ा कम ले रहे हैं, ऐसा कुछ समझ?
कम ले रहा है ना, जिसको 1 किलो लेने को आधा किलो ले रहा है, जिसको आधा किलो लेने को पाव किलो ले रहा है।
जहाँ 2 लगते हैं वहाँ आधा यूज करते हैं, और क्या कर सकते हैं। टमाटर के बिना सब्जी बनती ही नहीं है, तो ये गरीब लोग क्या करेंगे।
सब महंगा हो गया है, सब हर चीज 50 रुपया पाव, 60 रुपया पाव, टिंडोरा 40 रुपया, वटाना 70 रुपया पाव।
बारिश में होने की वजह से सब भाजी खराब हो गया है, जो आता है वो महंगा ही है। वी हैव टू बी विद द फ्लो ऑफ द विंड, वॉट एवर इट इज नॉट दैट दिस टाइम, इट इज एवरी टाइम एंड एवरी ईयर, so we have to just move with the wind.
So what has happened this year, because of the excessive heat, the March-April tomato crop, it got damaged. What happened last year, tomato prices skyrocketed, and keeping that in mind, the farmers did increase their overall tomato plantation, but the way the summer, the heat damaged the crop, the losses were quite significant. To understand this, on an average, per acre, the final output is around 2,000 cartons in Maharashtra. But this year, it came down to 400 to 500 cartons per acre. That is the kind of loss farmer is looking at. Now, as far as other vegetables are concerned, those prices have also increased. But there, monsoon is the key factor. For tomato prices, it's monsoon plus the excessive heat. As far as other vegetables are concerned, those prices are likely to come down in few weeks. But for tomatoes, not only the current crop got destroyed and damaged, but the delay in monsoon progression and the weak and insufficient rainfall has led to a delay in the sowing of kharif crop as well, which includes tomato as well. So the crop which was supposed to hit the market by July and August, beginning to stabilize the ongoing prices, that is going to get delayed, and that will lead to the factor that tomato prices won't come down for some time. In fact, they are likely to further increase. In Mumbai, with camera person Ajay Dabholkar, this is Santya for CNBC TV.